Hey again. Let's get started step by step to build our application. So to get started, I will go to folder Android and I will create a new folder. I will name it Note App. Okay? And I would take copy from the startup project and go to the Note App and add it here. Okay? You know why? Because always we need project already have a configuration with Kotlin. So yeah, if you not familiar again, go back to the first video and see why we did this. So to get started, I just open Android Studio and let me start step by step. So Android Studio, waiting seconds, and let me see what we could do. So I don't know what's the problem here. So let me just reopen. Here we go, this is Android Studio. I'll just click open a new project to open my project, which is on desktop, Kotlin, Android. Then I have Note App, Startup. Always this will be my startup project to drive from. So yeah, let's get started. Yes, after a while the project loaded, I will just first go to the model and change this one, the application ID, com.hussein, I will name it Notes App, okay? And I make sure to go to from build, then I say clean a project, so he could clean the project for me. Waiting for a while until he clean everything and continue. Now cleaned app, I just go to the resource. I have layouts, I have only main activity for now. So let me think about the design of our application. What we want to do, what we want our application to do, we want to see list of nodes, like the person who use this application see list of the node title and node details. So this node title and node details should be appear as a list. So you have to think about this layout, have list of nodes, like nodes 1, then nodes 2, and nodes 3, and he will continue. So to do this, first of all, we have to think about something named ListView. So we add ListView, and this one is repeated. If you see it, I have same design will repeat it every time. So what I will do, I will add ListView, and also I will add something named ticket, and I will call this ticket every time in ListView. So if I need to display 3 items, I will call this ticket 3 times to appear 3 times in this ListView. So this is my startup part. So what I will do, I just search in the tool or widget. So where is this one lives? I am not sure where the ListView lives. So he is not here. Yeah, I could search for it. I think ListView, here is it. So I'll take it and I will add it here. I will add it full screen, like full width and high, like complete I needed to take complete screen from all width and high. So I make match parent. Okay, so make sure it's match parent in every place. So if you have anything, just add it constraint from 4 parts. But in this case, like constraint will not work good for you. Like you will leave space and you get stuck something like not interesting. Better thing, use something named linear layout. So if I just change this one to linear layout, okay, just change it, go back. If you see it now, he changed this layout to linear layout. Change whatever orientation you want, horizontal or vertical, doesn't make any difference because you just want it to be a full screen, and that is like just this one full screen. Now if you see it, this one, just if you select it, it is match parent, so make sure it's match parent. And also if you just select this one, just change it to match parent. Why? You need your list view to appear complete in the complete screen. So if this one match parent, that's mean match the font size, then you add ListView, make it match parent that match this one size. So this one equal font and this one equal this one. That's mean ListView will be equal the size of the font, which is really interesting. This part. We said we need a ticket, so I just click right here and I will add a new resource file. I will name it ticket. Okay, it's better to name it ticket. Everything is small. If you see, it doesn't take the capital. So name it ticket. And select add. Okay, he will add it for you. If you open it, just normal layout, linear layout. So what I will do in this linear layout, if you see it, this linear layout is designed to be vertical. That means any content you added inside this one will appear on the vertical, and that's what I want for now. What I want to see this. I want to see a widget that show him the title of the notes. So let's suppose as a text for now. This one just escape. Make sure I don't have any error. Go back. Let's suppose this one will hold the title. Okay, and there is another one will hold the content of the notes. So to suppose this one should contain the content of the notes. Okay, and I would add in the end two buttons, one of them to delete and one of them to delete and one of them to edit the notes. So if you just go and add two buttons more, what he will do, because this type of layout is the type of this layout linear vertical, that means any content you will add it, he will add it one after another. So this button after this one, then this object one after another. Why? Because the type of the layout, you said I want this type of layout to be vertical. So for sure he will add them one after another. So let me just change the name of this one. Let me change this one to save, not save, edit. And change the name of this one to the whatever you say. If you want to name it to another name, which is delete. Okay, delete, just for now. So one after another doesn't work for me. I want them one beside another, but I cannot add them one beside another unless I have another layout. If you see, I have two layouts. If I use this one, see it how it appear, I could add one beside another. So if I use this one, which is vertical, should be one under another. So it's better to take this one, add it here, and move this one inside it, and move the second button inside it. What will happen here, see, he will take, because this one is vertical, so the content, three of them will be one under another. So one, second, third, three of them one under another. But this one, because horizontal, the content of it should be horizontal. But if you see, this one will take it all the remaining of the screen. I don't want them to take all the screen. I want to take only the content, just wrap content. I don't want to use unnecessary place in the screen. So I'm using only this part in the screen. So this is basically my ticket. So the title of the ticket should be like little bit like larger. So if I just selected properties, I think something related to the text size. Let me make the title 18. Okay, I think it's be better. If you see it, if you want to make it more, make it more. So if you want to change the text color, you could change it here to any color you want from the device, like this color. Yes, if you don't like it, again, change it to any color you would like. So this is like the standard, and this is the content, whatever the content you want to add. For me, for now, for testing, I will just look through any content. Let me just use this one. I don't know what this one means, but just come up in front of me. So I add this content inside it. So just show it as a ticket so you will understand how to update it. So just go back, the text of it, change it to this way. Yes, so it appears like a ticket. Now let me apply some design to this one. So what I need to add something drawable, folder drawable. So under resource directory, I will add some folder, name it drawable. You know why? Because drawable will help me to add some layout. So I would use this one. I would create a new resource directory. I would name it background. Okay, something related to background. So background background layout. You could name it underscore layout. Just this name, give it. Okay. So you know I already designed this one before, so I don't want to design it again. I already did this work in the previous work when we did the work with find my age. I think get sunset application app src main resource. Then we have it in the drawable. We already designed the background one, so I would use this one as a background. So let me just take it and add it here. This is my background. To make sure it's work fine, just review it. Yes, this is my background. If I take this background and apply it on this ticket, I would say, wait, I have this ticket. I want this ticket to take the specific background. But if you see, this ticket may and may not show up in the way that I want. So if I just say, hey, I want this ticket to take the background, so Android background, I needed to take it from the drawable. I want to take this one, drawable. So it doesn't appear in the way that I want it to appear. So why? Because if you look here, you would see like it took all the screen. It is better to add, let me suppose I want to add some padding. So I say our margin before it to make sure. If you see Android margin layout, let me suppose 15 PD. So you would see it here. See how is it, how it appear. So now just show it to you. So this is my real layout, how it appear, just taking 10 PD, but I don't want it to take all the screen. So it's better for me to don't select match parent as a height, select wrap content. So just take what I want. What I see now, just I have a ticket, and this ticket have this color. But if you see the background is still, I cannot manage it because it is like it's outside my scope. I'm just managing this one. I need to manage complete work. So it is good to take this one, add it here, get a new layout here, take all this content. So what I will do now, take all these, move them inside this one. So it should be this my second level layout now. Now this is my layout. So what I will do, this one is still match parent. I say always the high will be wrap content. This one high, keep it wrap content. But now if I go here, I have two layouts. So what I will do, I say, hey, take this one as a padding, move it to this one. Take this one as background, move it to this one. And again, when you move it, both of these here, use just this one, add specific background to it. So Android background, let me use the white color. If you remember, I already add a specific color. You just color here, I already have a color, but see how does it appear. But I don't want it to appear this one. I want to use specific color. But before that, see, this one appear on the top, this one down. This one should be app, and this one should be next. Just how to organize. I want the whole complete will be in different color. That I already did this color before, and we already bolded, which is here in values. If you remember in colors, we just have this color gray. Gray would help us to get gray color. So let me just add that gray color here, and after I add it here, take it, this is gray, and apply it on this ticket. So I say, hey, I want this one to take Android gray. So looking back here, this is too much 10. If I just say 3 from all sides, will be good. So now if you see the gray will take a 3, so the ticket look like nicer. Like see it, how much nicer. See, look like ticket, like see how you just add title, description, 2 button in the down, and yes, something nice. And you could apply same thing for this list view, just to make it also using same pattern. Just let this one also use the background gray. So both of these use background gray. So when you add the ticket inside, it appear as a ticket. So yes, this is my first activity. It should be appearing this way, how I list items. I would do same thing for the second activity. So now I need to add another activity, which is have same that thing just for adding. But wait, before I add this one, did you see this ticket? I don't like this one appear on this way. It's better to use images. So if I just go here, go to the Google, search for Google icons. Okay, then yes, material icon should be the page name, and this is the page. So see, there is many icons. I could use them. If you see, delete. If I just Control F, I look for delete. Was he able to find something about delete? There's too many icons. See this one, you can use it for delete. If you just click on it, you select which one, and it's PNG. Just click, he will download it. If you see, it's downloaded here, and he download for Android, web, whatever. I just select Android. You could select which size that you want. Let me take this size for now. Later on we'll talk about sizes. So this IC delete, just copy it, go back to the project, and add it here. Control V, IC deletes. So now it's better, instead of using button here, if you use this as button, you could apply image on it, but it's better to use image instead of these two buttons. So let me just take these buttons. I don't like them to be in my ticket. I just use images will be better. So if you just look here, image, so image view, I take this image view, add it here. He asked me, do you want to use one? Let me use this one as an image for it, and also take another image and add it inside it. He asked me again, do you want? Let me for now use this Android for it. I will add for the edit one. They have to have edit also. So if I just Control F, I select edit. Hopefully he will be able to look something about, yeah, yes, here is it. I think yes, you could use this one, color that maybe will work. So if you select, there's many things about editing. So note edit, this one you could select it. I think I see it is more nicer. Just download it, and yes, should be the second one. Hopefully, select from Android. I will select this size, copy, go back to Android Studio, Control V, and apply it on this one, which is this image view. If you just see the code of it, so he used SR resource. If I just select here, I say, hey, from drawable, please look for this one, which is AC model, delete this one. So yes, here sound to me like better from the first one. If you see if you think the image size too much, make it like 15 pt. Yes, if you see 15, make it 13, if 20, whatever the size you think it is fine, will be good. So 20 by 20. Yes, it's so on this one good. This one will make it 20 by 20. Yeah, now they are better than first time. So if you see how they are appear, just two of them, delete, edit, will be like nicer. Yeah, nicer from the first time. So yes, this is for the design of the ticket. I just want to go to next video and just add like data, doesn't make anything, then we will add real data.